Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some Jamaican pea soup, red pea soup. Right now the pot is bubbling. So okay, let me tell you what I did first. This is some chicken foot. I was chicken foot in the pot, some peas, and I put onion and sweet pepper inside. And now it's boiling. So the reason why you put the peas and the chicken foot first, so that it could get soft. So you don't want to put your food and stuff at the same time. You just want to put your peas and your meat so it could boil and come to a tender. Then cause you know the food gonna cook easily. So you put these in the pot first and make it boil and come to tender. Okay, the pot is bubbling up. I'm gonna test the meat to see if it's cooked. So it's almost cooked. So now I could put my corn inside. I love corn. Guys, don't judge me. I put corn in this. And then make some fun. And my soup, regardless whatever soup it is, I gotta have me some corn. So I love corn. Y'all don't have to put it in, but that is what I want to put in my soup. I'm gonna make this boil. Make it boil down, then I'll be able to put my dumpling and my potato inside. I'm just putting whatever I have in my kitchen right now. Well, you can use any food you want to put inside. You can use yam, but I don't have no yam. Or some people put sweet potato. I don't have no sweet potato. So I'm just putting what I have in my fridge inside of this. I'm sorry, put the cover back on. Then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm stirring my pot. I'm gonna put, I already need my flour, my potato, and I use this is the coconut milk that I use. This is the one I had in my cupboard, and this is what I use. You can use any coconut milk brand of your choice, but this is what I use in mine. And I put my pimento inside, and I use this seasoning to season it. The pot, you can use whatever season you want to put in there, whatever season. But that's the season that I put in my pot. I'm gonna stir it up. I'm gonna put I already need my flour. I'm gonna put that inside with my potatoes. Okay, so the next time you will see my finishing product of my red peas soup. It's coming along good. It's coming along, guys.